बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं एंड दे आस्क कि सर हम आइडियाज सोचें कैसे, कैसे पता करें कि कौन से आइडियाज हैं, किस पे काम करना चाहिए, हाउ टू गेट अ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. So I will just provide you a glimpse of that what all we think when we talk about idea and how we generate ideas, how you can brainstorm and sit together. So yeah, if you move to the next slide. So generating ideas, as Frank Sonoval said, that if you look for problems hard enough, you are bound to get one of them. And when I talk about hard enough, it's like you have to read newspapers. Okay, talk to your relatives, talk to your family. If I ask you, any one of you, that how come the first idea which was came in order to have online maid facility? I hope you all know that we can get maids, we can get cooks online. Okay, we have lot of apps. How it comes in somebody's mind? It was only when somebody saw that his mother is facing a lot of issue because we can't track our maids. We don't know whether they are lying, whether they are inside our society, but we don't know whether they have come or not. So that's how apps, somebody found a problem into it and he come up with the solution. So similarly, you have to look for problems in your society, in your home, and try to read more and more newspapers, because there you found a lot of problem what government is facing and you come up with the solution. Next please. Next, we'll not go deep into it. So your problems fall into either of these two categories. It can either be vitamin or a painkiller. May I know the difference between the two, vitamin and painkiller? Any one of you? I have written also there, but from your mouth. A general statement. What is the difference between vitamin and painkiller, and why I am saying that your problem falls into either of these two categories, vitamin or painkiller? Yeah, please. Right, so painkiller is like a cure. So let's say if I am having a headache and it's at a stage where I'm not able to, let's say without medicine I will not be able to sustain myself or do any kind of a work. Finally what I will do, I will eat a crocin or something. Okay, so it's a painkiller, you need that. So similarly, you might working on a solution, you have a problem where you need to have, मतलब customer आपका उसको लेगा ही लेगा. And what example I am giving is Google Map. How many of you use Google Map? Everyone. Okay. Now I travel from Greater Noida to Delhi daily, but still I open my Google Map each and every day. I know where is IIT Delhi, but still I open it. Why? Because I want to know it each and every day what is my traffic condition, where I can take the routes. Okay, still I open it. So maybe you have a solution which your customer daily wanted. It will be a repeated customer. If you will not be able to get that solution, you will not be able to survive. So if you are working on such kind of a solution, that maybe you don't have a niche market. When I talk about niche market, then I talk about vitamins. So vitamin, why I have taken fitness apps or fitness bands? It's like, how many of you are wearing smartwatches? See, the number is too less. So it's a niche market. Not every one of you requires smartwatches. You can survive, you can do your daily work even if you're not using smartwatches. So maybe you have a solution which the customer, not each and every customer would want it, but maybe few of them would need it, and then you work accordingly on your marketing strategies. So that's the difference, and you have to find out where your problem solution falls, and then accordingly you have to strategize for your marketing and trying to cover your customer. Next please. So this I always say that always run towards quality, not quantity when you start working on it. Most of the startups say कि मैं बनाऊंगा सर 50 पीस बिकेंगे, 5 बिकेंगे, 10 बिकेंगे, but I always tell them एक भी बिकता है, first work on quality. If you able to have one customer who is like giving you a good feedback, then definitely you will start increasing. But if you will think in a mind that I should have a one day, on a single day of launch 1000 customers, then maybe you will work not on quality, you will always work on quantity. And one day maybe your product will be out from the market. This second point I always tell to each and everyone, start small and scale fast. When I say this, it's like start with the basic features, whatever idea you are developing, and then you will be able to scale fast. If you want to develop each and everything today in terms of your device features or whatever, then on single day if you are launching 8 features, maybe you are not on the right path. You have to first start one by one, start taking customer feedback and then move forward. So always start small and then you will be able to scale fast. Next please. So I have one scamper technique. How many of you heard about this scamper? Any management students here? All BTech? No management? कितने बीटेक हैं यहाँ पे? सब बीटेक हैं. Okay. None of you have heard about scamper technique before this? Okay, so I will take you through this, how it helps you think about your idea and would ask you some questions. ठीक है, I don't have goodies like Samsung has. ठीक है, मैं इतना अमीर नहीं हूँ. Next, so we will move to the next slide. So maybe you will not be able to see who are sitting on the page because it's an image. ठीक है, but आप Google करोगे तो सबको दिखेगा. मेरा खुद का नहीं है, लॉक करा हुआ. ठीक है. So scamper is S for substitute, C for combine, A for adapt, M for modify, P for put to other use, E for eliminate, and R for rearrange. So why we use this technology? Every R&D department, you talk about Maruti, you talk about Honda, everyone have their R&D department. And all of them use this technique at their initial stages. Why? Because they want to understand the customer reviews. And then accordingly they start working on it. And when I talk about scampers, I am taking an example of water bottle. सबको पता है सबसे पहले मिनरल की वाटर बॉटल आती थी ऐसे प्लास्टिक की, और कोई बॉटल नहीं आती थी पानी की, है ना? Only this simple plastic bottle. Now companies start thinking as time passes that how can we bring other products of this water bottles and we can generate money out of it. It should not be only plastic water bottle. So then they started applying scamper technique into it. So if we move to the next slide, you can see a products here by applying scamper. So when I talk about substitute, तो अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि क्या substitute हो सकता है प्लास्टिक का, so then your team will start working. It can be either ceramic, it can be either copper, steel. तो अब हमें बहुत सारी bottles market में मिलती हैं, ठीक है? Then similarly, if I talk about combine, so then they started experience कि हमारे पास एक market है kids की, जहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे changes कर सकता हूँ water bottles के साथ. So I can combine it with a sipper, I can have a handle, ठीक है? और वो कितने different styles में हो सकता है. And this all is done by taking reviews at every stage from the customer, ठीक है? और उसके बाद ये final design ready होता है, ठीक है? Similarly, if I talk about, for example, put to other use, ये मे भी बहुत लोगों ने Facebook पे देखा होगा, है ना? ये village में एक बंदे ने किया था, बहुत पहले आया था ये. किसी ने अगर देखा, I don't know, ठीक है? There is a bleach inside it and you can generate light out of it. So similarly, there are other things. If I talk about modify, so now we have bottles कि अगर आपने पानी पी लिया है तो आप उसको squeeze कर लीजिए और आप पानी की बोतल को space नहीं चाहिए, छोटी सी करके आप रख सकते हैं, ठीक है? So this is how you can think about any XYZ, ठीक है? For example, if I say you bicycle, आप उस पर scamper लगाइए, come up with the ideas, ठीक है? मैं अभी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, it will take time. You have to brainstorm, understand कि अगर मैं स्कैम्पर लगाता हूँ बाइसाइकिल पे तो आप क्या क्या चेंजेस कर सकते हैं, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट आप क्या नई साइकिल का कुछ लेके आ सकते हैं फाइनली, ठीक है? विच फिट्स इनटू योर यूजर रिक्वायरमेंट. सो आप स्कैम्पर लगा सकते हैं, बाइसाइकिल में भी लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है? इट्स नॉट अ वेरी बिग डील. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. सो दिस इज हाउ वी वर्क ऑन व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू जनरेट आइडियाज. तो ऐसे हम स्टूडेंट्स को या इनोवेटर्स के साथ वी आस्क देम टू सिट टुगेदर, brainstorm, and this is how few of them come up with new ideas, ठीक है? I will also show you some more ideas. We can move to the next, not take much. These are some of the innovative products maybe you have seen somewhere. So at a time I can put water into 2 glasses instead of 1 glass. Next, this I thought maybe you have seen because of the crunch of space, ठीक है? Next, so this is you can have bread as well as tea maker together, so that bachelor sitting or you don't have time, you have to leave to the office, you can prepare this very quickly. Then why to use another plate? Okay, you can have a biscuit below the same glass. Next. Yeah, so I will not go deep looking beyond product innovation. I think this is not right time to discuss about this. It's more about generating ideas, because Samsung is looking for ideas from you. So try to use camper technique. You have 20 days, maybe you can come up with some ideas, but which should have a social angle into it. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, I can wrap up.